Hi guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we have planned a short trip to Jog Falls and from there we will be leaving to Gokarna. Let's start. Time is 6 a.m. and we are at Venuru. Those are my friends on RE350 and I am on my FZ. So we have stopped here for a quick break. We are around 10 kilometers away from Kollur temple. This is Mukamika Reserve Forest. So we are taking this Kollur Ghat to reach Sagara. So unfortunate thing happened, the RE350 got punctured and we are stuck here in the middle of nowhere. This random guy is showing us the puncture shop. Yeah guys, so somehow puncture has been fixed. Now we are at Siganduru. So guys, this is Siganduru ferry. If you want to go by road, there is a longer route. This is shortcut. Also we wanted to try this river hopping. We are off the boat and around 60 kilometers away from Jog Falls. Here we are, Joga Jalapatake Suswagata, thank you. While returning back, we'll go in that direction that goes to Honnavara. Let's stop here and take a couple of pictures. This is a Sharavati River Bridge. Our stay is booked at Gokarna today. Done with a quick photo session. Let's go to the falls. I don't remember when was the last time I came here. I think it's been some 15 years. Alright guys, leaving from here towards Honnavara. I wish we could have stayed there a bit longer, but we are already late. We have to leave. A nice sunset view. Time is 6 o'clock and I will catch you guys at the homestay. This dude is vibing. So guys, we have checked into the room and probably gonna put some bonfire and sit. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning guys, let me just show you the homestay. It's a nice big property. There is a beach behind this, so we are going there now. Okay, done here. We are checking out. The stay was nice and well maintained. Food was also kinda good. So we have reached the main highway. Left should take you to Karavara and right towards Mangalore. We just finished our breakfast here at Kumta. Probably we'll go to Murudeshwara. If I am not wrong, this has to be the longest bridge of Karnataka, the Honnavara bridge. We have taken diversion from the main highway and here some off-road is going on. We had been inside the temple, now we are taking the bikes to the beach. Isn't it looking like glass floor? So guys, there is a car stuck here and they called us for help. Yeah, somehow we managed to pull the car outside. It took crazy amount of effort. I couldn't record it because I had to keep my helmet aside. So yeah, they went there to record videos, it seems. Fine, we have rejoined the highway. Let's roll home.
It's only a dream. It's how I feel. It's only a dream. It's how I feel.
That's it in this video. I'll end it here. If you watched it so far, please do like, share, and subscribe. Also, drop your feedback and suggestions. Oh man, I'm gonna miss this view. More rides are yet to come. Until then, be safe.